This lesson, we are going to look at variables and constants. We are going to use the same example country. If I make country equal to Singapore, I print country, I'll get Singapore. Now I'm going to make country equal to China. Print country, it will give me China. So this country is like a container. You can put different information inside the container. What if I'm going to print country, but this time I want to add the quotation mark? It will give me the word country. So what is the difference? Country without the quotation mark, it's a variable. It's like container to hold information. Where country with the quotation mark, it's a constant. It just stands for the word country. So what are variables and constants? Variables, the value is not fixed. It can be changed. For example, I can make x equal to 1. Later, I change my mind, I make x equal to 2. I change my mind again, I make x equal to 3. X is a variable, so its value can be changed. I can put 1 in the container, or I can put 2, then I can put 3. But constants, the value is fixed. It can't be changed. For example, if I have number 22, it's number 22. If I have quotation ABC, it's always a 3 letters ABC. Or if I have a quotation hello world, it's always hello world. So that's a constant. Its value will never be changed. Now let's go back to Colab and look at more examples. I can have a variable called number, which equals to 100. After that, I can print number. I'll get 100. Number is a container, it's a variable. Now I put 100 inside the container, number become 100. I can make number equal to 200. I print number, I'll get 200. Because number is a variable like a container, whatever value you put it inside, it will take up that value. Now let's look at more constants. I can print ABC. It's always ABC, it will never be changed. Or I can print 1000. It is always 1000, it will never be changed. So these are the constants. How to name variables? There are certain rules we need to follow. It always starts with a letter or with an underscore. You can't start a variable name with a number. You can only use the letters, capital letters and lowercase letters, the digits from 0 to 9 and underscore. And it is case sensitive. That means if I have H in lowercase or I have H in uppercase, they are different variables. I can't use any of the Python keywords. For example, print. I can't use print as a variable. And the best practice is to name a variable according to their meanings. For example, if I have a variable called country, usually it stands for a country. If I have a variable called name, it stands for a name. Now, if you come back to look at this example, when I print ABC, I need to add a quotation. But if I print a number, I don't need to add a quotation. So what's the difference? These are the different data types. And we will cover data types in our next video.